Hello students, welcome back to our channel Roboarmy. Today we are going to build an automatic hand sanitizer using a motor driver. So, let's get started. So for build this project we have some components. So first, we have an IR sensor, and it is also our important component. I think you all are already familiar with this sensor, as this sensor works on IR rays, having one receiver and transmitter. Next we have a 6-volt DC pump, one L293D motor driver, which is another important component after IR sensor. Next we have a mini breadboard, one double battery holder with lithium-ion cell. I already connected the switch with battery holder. And at last we have some jumper wires. Also we need a container like this for placing components and sanitizer. Let's build. As you can see, there are 3 pins on IR sensor. Let's connect jumper wires to it. Insert the orange wire to out, brown wire to GND, ground, and red wire to the VCC of the sensor. Insert all 3 wires into the breadboard, as shown in the video, in a parallel path. Now connect the water pump to the motor driver. Connect the positive and negative of water pump to the output of motor driver, as shown in the video. Now, take a jumper wire and insert one side into the breadboard as a result by connecting sensor positive and negative. Connect the output wire to the input of the motor driver on that side where DC pump is connected. And connect other to the motor driver plus 5 volt and ground, as mentioned on the motor driver. Let's connect battery to the motor driver. Connect the positive to the plus 5 volt and negative to the ground on the motor driver respectively. Have a look at the diagram. As you can see in the diagram, the IR sensor terminal VCC and ground is connected to the motor driver plus 5 volt and negative terminal of motor driver respectively. You have to connect the same as shown in the diagram. As soon as our sensor detect hand, it will give a signal to the motor driver input. This in result starts the DC pump. As you know, this connection makes pump running every time because the sensor continuously gives 5 volt to the pump. So, for changing the logic, we need to give another plus 5 volt to the second pin of input 1. As you can see in the diagram, the blue wire which is connected from 5 volt to M1B. But here, I uses yellow wire. As a result, this connection makes the pump starts when anyone places hand in front of IR sensor. The IR sensor did not give any signal on black objects, so we need to give a high contrast color. Now the circuit is working as expected. Let's paste all the components on this container. And make sure to make a hole on the lid for pipe and wires to coming out. I use double-sided tape for pasting the components. You can also use glue. Take the flexible pipe and connect it with the DC pump and take it out from the hole on lid. For supporting the pipe, we need to attach a steel wire to it and paste the wire using a tape. This will help the pipe to stay in place. So, our hand sanitizer is complete. Let's connect battery to it and test it. As you can see, our automatic hand sanitizer works absolutely fine. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe to our channel for upcoming updates.